Hello there, it's Anna here, an English and Spanish teacher from Russia and a Wakelet ambassador as well. Today I'm going to share with you how you may register on Wakelet and start your musing journey there. First, you need to start by creating your account and going to wakelet.com. Here you're going to appear on the main page of this amazing educational platform. You may see that there is already lots of information, useful one, like for educators, blog posts, and you may enter a code, but we're going to talk a little bit later about this option. You may log in if you're already registered one. You can sign up and you may already sign up here. It's absolutely for free. You can choose if you want to continue with a Google account. If you have already created one, you may use this, or if you have established Microsoft 365, you may use this one. Or also there could be a Facebook account if you have one, or just use your email address and create a password. This is the option that I've chosen and I'm using it. So it's pretty easy, and check the box to agree and click sign up after using this option. So read the rules and terms and services. It's very important as well. After that, when you're going to fill in all the information or use the account that you have already created before, you just going to appear on the home page. Here you may see all of the collections that you have already created, or if no, you may just press this green circle and just create a new one. Here I'm demonstrating all the options that you've got on your panel here. And I've got so far 72 collections, oh my god, and bookmarks. These are all the links, tags, pictures that you have added to your collections. Actually, you can save other collection of other educators and they're going to appear as a bookmark in your collection. This is really awesome. There is one more thing, and the menu that you can try and see and view for yourself as a public profile. Let's go to your public profile, and what we've got there, you can change the heading picture, your profile picture as well, and these are all the collections which are public ones. You can share with your profile just straight away with the social networks, or just copy the link to your profile and share with it anywhere you want it. I prefer this way. You can also edit your profile and make this handle consistent if you've got one. I've got the same like I've got on Twitter, and you can change your name and be creative with your bio. You may add more links to your websites and share with your story as educator. Next time I'm going to share with you how to create a new collection, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye.